Hello guys, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video I will be showing you guys how you can join a league in Fantasy Premier League on the mobile application. The process is very quick and very easy, so let's get right into it. Now when you actually open up the application, such as you see on my screen, you will navigate to this screen where you can see Fantasy, and you will actually be put on this menu with all these several options. Now, the way you want to actually join your league is to navigate down to the Leagues and Cups segment. You want to select leagues, they will already be selected, and what you want to click is you can join a league. Click join leagues. If you have a code, if your friend has started a league of their own, they can send you that code, that link, whatever, and you can input the code that you have over here, and then you will be part of that league. Now, you can also click on public and join public leagues. You can pick either classic or head-to-head. And if you pick one, I will pick classic. You just want to click join a league, and then you will be taken to this screen. And as you can see on the screen, players to be added after next points update, which means you will be a member of a league once the next point update rolls around. Now, there is also another way to join a league, and that is to create your own. You want to click on the configure leagues button, and when you click on that, you will be taken to this screen, during which you want to click create and join new leagues. You can either click join a league here, you can join a public league and join classic, and then it's pretty much the same process as before. However, if you actually click on create your own league, you can also create your league, create and join, create a league and cup. Then you want to click on create a league and cup or create a head-to-head again, and you just input the name, and once your name is in, you can pick when scoring starts, and you can pick how the cup works. Or actually, that is just an explanation. After you input everything you need, you just click create, and that's it. I hope you guys learned something new and found this helpful, and I will see you in another video.